Hello everyone, welcome back to Glory's house. I have 3 items I'm going to show you real quickly that are on the clearance special today. Okay, first we have N91. It's very pretty, very elegant. This is gold medal. It is one of our embellishments. It is clear crystal stones with gold medal. It's very flexible. It reminds me of the dolly you lay on the table. So this one is $7.99. Regular price was like $24.99. Don't have too many of these, so if you're interested, you better get over to Glory's house and get that one soon. Okay, the next one is N83. It's a silver embellishment. Looks like a snowflake. Be good to put on stockings. Be good to put on Christmas sweaters. Could probably put this one on a shoe or accessories. It's silver metal with crystal stones. This is the back of it. You can cut these if you want to just use the pieces to put throughout a project. This one is $4.99, regularly $12.99. For a few days only. This is our special for $4.99. That's N83. You can find these on the front page of my website, and that is gloryshouse.com. Next one is gold medal, crystal stones. It's also an embellishment. You can sew these on, possibly glue them on, and it's got crystal stones, and it's item number N90, and it is regularly $12.99, on sale for $4.99 for a couple days only. So that's the items I wanted to show you this evening. There's no backing in these. They're just kind of like jewelry. Very pretty. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see any more clearance items, leave me a comment below. I appreciate you all. I thank you for shopping with us. Have a good evening, and God bless you. Bye-bye.